Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims and I am here to present the line dance Walk Away From Love. The song is Walk Away From Love. The artist is Biddy McLean and the choreographer is my girl Carla Gray from the UK. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself presents a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. Please join us at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. For details about the hotel and registration, visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go. Walk Away From Love.
Now clap your hands and stomp your feet. This happens to be a tread wild tree.
It's not that I don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I find somebody
walk away from love. Guys, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.